We are going to learn a new song today. This song might sound a little spooky or it might even sound a little sad because this song is in minor. Say minor. Most songs we listen to are in major, which sounds very happy or calm, like this. Or those songs are both in major. They're both in a very happy key. But this song we're about to learn is in minor, so it sounds a little spookier, maybe even sad. I'm going to sing it for you first, and then we'll learn it together. A poor bird, take thy flight far above the shadows of this sad night. I will sing it one more time. A poor bird, take thy flight far above the shadows of this sad night. Sing what I say. A poor bird, take thy flight far above the shadows of this sad night. A poor bird, take thy flight far above the shadows of this sad night. Now remember, this is a very gentle, very sad, almost a little spooky song. So, gentle voices. Not a poor bird. No, you're not. Don't be too forceful, okay? Let's try singing this first part together. A poor bird, take thy flight. We're gonna sing it 2 times. Sing it with me. Here we go. A poor bird, take thy flight. Let's try that part again. Here we go. A poor bird, take thy flight. The next part goes, far above the shadows of this sad night. Far above the shadows of this sad night. Here we go. Ready, and far above the shadows of this sad night. Let's try that part 2 more times. Here we go. Far above the shadows of this sad night. Let me try that again because I messed up the piano. Here we go. Ready, here we go. Far above the shadows of this sad night. One more time. Far above the shadows of this sad night. I'm going to sing the first part, and then I want you to sing the first part all by yourself. Here we go. My turn. A poor bird, take thy flight. Your turn, here you go. Far above the shadows of this sad night. We're going to sing the whole song together. Let's do it. We're going to sing it 2 times in a row. A poor bird, take thy flight far above the shadows of this sad night again. A poor bird, take thy flight far above the shadows of this sad night. I want to see if you can sing it without me. I'll play it with you on piano. Here we go. One more time. All right, beautiful.